So hello everyone. So this is a new course or new subject, that is introduction to design thinking, and a very few universities running this type of course, but it is very important subject for all branches of engineering. So design thinking means by design thinking, what is our target? To achieve an innovative way to solve the problems. Okay, so first of all I will tell you some of the famous brands and university they are employing this design thinking approach to achieve a better solution. So some of the leading brands are Apple, Google, Samsung. They are rapidly adopting this design thinking approach, and some of the leading universities like Stanford University, Harvard University, Imperial College of London, and Srishti Institute in India. So design thinking is a problem solving methodology. Okay, so design thinking is a problem solving methodology, so that focuses on empathy, ideation, experimentation, then to develop an innovative solutions. So there are total 5 steps to achieve this innovative solutions, that is empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. So I will tell you the where this design, what do you mean by design? So see, every day we are thinking something from the start of the morning time. Suppose when we wake up in the morning, so our thought process will start from just by wake up in the morning. So see, suppose one time in the morning you wake up and you saw on the floor there are lots of waters are coming. Okay, and see what will happen, that automatically in your mind thought process will start. So you might think that this water may come from your toilet room or your bathroom or from somewhere, from tap or somewhere. So you are not getting the exact definition of the problem, no? Where actually it happens. So in your mind lots of thinking means lots of thought process will come in your mind. Okay, so the next step is to define the problem, means where is actually this water is coming. So you have to identify the main problem. So that will be the first step is the empathize, that you are thinking lots of thought process is going in your mind. So the next step will be the defining the proper problem, the exact problem. So you will search and find out from this step only the water is leaking. So you will get the particular problem. Okay, now see, the next step will be you have to generate idea. Okay, so now there are I will tell you in detail in the later process. First of all I will give you the overview of this subject. Okay, so then you will create the idea. Now there are different methods, different steps are there to create the idea, so I will tell you later on. The next step is prototype. So you will create, after getting the idea you will create the prototype, and then you will test those prototypes. Prototype means, I will tell you, the prototype means the reduced size of original manufactured product, that is the final outcome. So suppose the final outcome is your car, no? So you will prepare a model type, no? And you have to test different tests. So there is a crash test, there is a impact test, various mechanical tests are there, and other tests are also there. So that will, that vehicle will, that model, vehicle model will undergo different types of testing, and if they will perform better, then it will be finalized, and the manufacturer or the company, they will launch this product into the market. Okay, so this is the testing part, and then will be the final product that will come into the market. Okay, so this is all about the design thinking process. Okay, so now see, I will explain you one by one. So empathize means, see, we are conducting research. Okay, that means we are going door to door and trying to find out the exact problems. So we are doing survey. Survey means the data you are collecting. Suppose if we want to find out the population of India, so we will go door to door and collect how many people are staying, and then we are getting the average idea of the whole population of our country. Okay, the next one is the interview. We are conducting different interviews. Okay, that means we are asking people, different discussion, different type of discussion is going on. So based on that, an ethnographic research, that means different peoples are participating. Okay, then there is a create personage. Okay, so based on the customer needs and goals, we will formulate the problems. Then there is a journey mapping. So we will also focus on the different pain points or opportunity, means what are the opportunities available. So if we find the problem based on the unavailability of the opportunities, or that will give the that will unable to perform, so formulating those type of problem will not be good. Okay, so these points we will consider during the empathize process. Okay, then come to the definition of problem. Okay, once empathize is completed, then we will define the problem. Okay, so the problem statement will get, so that once the problem is defined, that will minimize your time. So during the time of problem formulation, we will also think about the constraints and requirement. That means what type of hurdles or come during our problem to find at the time of finding the solution of the different types of problems. So and we also focus on the requirements. Yes, to solve this type of problem, what are the different requirements are there. So we should think about that also. Then come to the success criteria. Okay, so once the problem is formulated, then we have to generate a solution. That means generate a solution means, before generating solution, we have to develop an idea. Okay, so idea will challenge the assumption and challenge the assumptions. Assumptions means, you know, while doing some problems, we assume something. Like in case of fluid mechanics, we assume that the fluid should be ideal, it must be incompressible, so that we can easily calculate the solution, so that easily the problem will be solved. So if the idea will be strong, then these assumptions can be nullified, so that we will avoid the type of assumption that will overcome. That means it will overcome the assumptions. Okay, this idea. So that will, this totally depends on your idea strongness. Na? So there are different types of method is available to create the ideas. So there is a brainstorming. Brainstorming is nothing but that there are lots of people we are collecting, and we try to exercise our minds, and we are getting lots of ideas, and we just try to collect all those ideas together and finalizing one idea. Okay, so this is the brainstorming. That means Once we are getting the idea, then the next step is mind mapping. Again, the mind mapping means what? As we know, as we have gone through the flow chart. Flow chart means there are different steps to reach the final solution. So we are presenting those various steps through a flow chart, and that is the mind mapping. So creating this type of map, maybe flow chart, maybe type of mapping, any type of map. So see, as we know, in case of machine shop or workshop, we are doing different types of machining operation. So first of all, first step is we prepare the specimen, then we check the smoothness of the correctness of the specimen, then we will do the different types of operations. So these are the flow charts. First of all, before doing those operation, we have to first create a flow chart, so that will help in the smoothness in the operation, okay, and also that will minimize your time of operation, okay. So after mind mapping, there is a storyboarding. Storyboarding means is nothing but create a story in a clip wise. As you can see, during the director or this film producer, they are producing film, but before creating the 3 hours film, they prepare clip by clip, okay. Some clip, the romantic scene, they prepared romantic scene at some other place, the fighting scene will be at some other place, and after getting all clip, they will club all those clip to finalize the 3 hours film. So these are the storyboarding. Storyboarding is nothing but a clubbing of all the story together, okay. So in these cases, here in case of design thing, we are clubbing the different ideas, okay. Different ideas we club and finalize a story type idea, okay. That will be a particular time duration idea, okay. The third step is the prototype. So once we are getting the idea, so based on the idea, we are producing a prototype. So there are different types of prototype: paper prototyping, digital prototyping, and physical prototyping. So see, paper prototyping. Paper prototyping is nothing but we create model with the help of paper, as you can see in the figure. As you can see, this is the paper prototyping. We have created a paper prototype mobile. So what we will do, we will first create this prototype and try to check. So this is the paper prototype, okay. First of all, I will explain you one by one prototype. Digital prototyping. Again, see, digital prototyping means is nothing but with the use of different types of software, we create a model like this one. See, here also we create a model. So in these 3 figures, this is the digital prototyping, okay. So we created a product, and then we will do the testing by using different types of software. So this is the digital prototyping, okay. Then, so once the test is completed, then we will do the, so once the prototype is done, so this is the digital prototype. Now come to the physical prototype. So once the digital prototyping is success, then we will produce the physical, okay. This is the physical prototype. That means see, this is the physical prototype. So this is the final object, okay. So this we have created. Now we will do the testing. So this physical prototype will undergo different types of testing. There are mechanical testing, there are lots of testing are there, electrical testing. So after that, so what we'll do, testing is being done, okay. So what are the different types are there, what we will do after test, okay. So there are pilot testing. Pilot testing is nothing but, so see, after no this before this test, see, we will do different types of crashing test and different types of tests. So after finalizing this step, prototyping, if the prototype is finalized, okay, then we will do the testing. So that will be again different types: pilot testing, user feedback, iterate and improve. Okay, so the first test is pilot testing. Pilot testing means we will test the finalized prototype, and we send the this prototype to a small group of users or a small group of people. So they will check, they will, suppose there is a mobile prototype is available, okay, so we will send the mobile to some users, that they will they will use those mobiles and try to find out the issues, areas of improvement, and they will give the feedback. That feedback will be taken by the manufacturer will collect those feedback and analyze and refine design and users needs, okay, and address the users needs. They will again modify those issues, and they will improve, and they will iterate and improve, and then again they will give to the users. So once it will once the successful results came, then the manufacturer will launch the final product into the market. Okay, so this method is iterative method. This method is iterative. The iterative method means what? So see, we have given the final prototype to a small group of people. They will give the different types of issues, different types of problem, different areas of improvement, and we will collect those ideas, and we will redefine the problem, redefine the model, and based on the needs and data, we will again modify the design and again send to the users. Again they will give the idea, and in this way the iteration, this is the iteration. So in this way the iteration is going on, and we will finalize based on this iteration process, finalize the product, and then we will launch the final product into the market. Okay, so this is the overall conclusion, that is the innovation, collaboration, customer centric and iterative process. Okay, innovation, so there is a discovery and there is a invention. There is a difference between discovery and invention. So invention means we are creating a new product or new model, so that is the invention. And discovery means already available, and we just search some product that we lost, no? So that is the discovery. Okay, collaboration. So collaboration in case of design thinking, we collaborate with different branches, different departments. Okay, because one product need different types of methods. Suppose if you want to design a car, then car is needed mechanical parts also, electronics parts also, electrical engineering parts also. So collaboration is needed. Okay, now third is the customer centric. So customer centric or human centric means what? Human centric means whatever design we are making, whatever product we are manufacturing, that will be based on the human center. Means we are keeping the human at the center, and we just preparing product by keeping in our mind that what will affect the human body. We are not thinking about any animal or other natural creatures. Okay, nature creatures. Okay, we just think about human only. what will be the bad effect on the, whether it is harmful or not, with how it will be helpful to the human beings. So that these are all comes under customer centric approach, or customer means human only, okay, human centric approach. And iterative process I have already explained to you. So these are the conclusions, okay. So thank you so much. Now please like my channel and subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubt you can ask in comment section. Please comment. Thank you so much.